Okay, good evening, everybody. It's happy to see you again and to hear from you. Oke, sebelum kita lanjut pelajaran yang kemarin, before we continue our lesson, let me review a bit about our last previous past lessons. Ya, oke, kalau ingat kita sudah pernah bahas ini parts of speech, ya. Di parts of speech, we have pronoun, verb, noun, adjective, article, adverb, conjunction, and preposition. Ya. Nah, ini pertemuan keempat kalau tidak salah kita bahas ini. Dan secara detailnya juga sudah kita bahas satu persatu. Ya. Nah, mengingatkan kembali ya, karena ini adalah backbone, ya, ini adalah tulang punggung dari pembelajaran sebuah bahasa, ya, dalam bahasa Inggris khususnya. Nah, secara cepat aja ya kita go through quickly or briefly, ya, dengan cepat kita akan membahas ini dengan cepat gitu ya. Oke, pronoun ya. Pronoun, for example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Verb, go, run, walk, jump, have. And then noun, pen, car, book, shirt, spoon. Adjective, one, black, big, new, good. Article, an, the, and zero article. Adverb, slowly, quickly, and very. Conjunction, and, or, but. Preposition, in, on, at. Ya. Nah, ini semua sudah kita jelaskan dengan lebih detail ya setelah yang kemarin. Nah, ini contoh pembuatan kalimat ya yang paling sederhana. I have a book. I is a pronoun, and then have is a verb, a is article, and then book it's a noun. And then from a very simple sentence, we develop by putting an adjective. Ya, dari kalimat yang sederhana kita kembangkan dengan menambahkan kata sifat. Ya, I have a book. I have a new book. Saya mempunyai sebuah buku. Saya mempunyai sebuah buku yang baru. Ya. Nah, kita kembangkan lagi. I have a book and a pen. Saya mempunyai sebuah buku dan sebuah pen. Nah, ini kita tambahkan lagi dengan conjunction. Ya, kita kembangkan. Terus kita tambah lagi dengan kata sifat. I have a new book and a new pen. Saya mempunyai sebuah buku yang baru dan sebuah pen yang baru. Nah, sekarang kita ke preposition ya. Where is the book? It is on the table. It is a pronoun. Is a verb. On is preposition. The is article. Table is noun. And then now we are talking about verb. The dog ran. Ya, anjing itu berlari. The is article. Dog is a noun. Ran is a verb. And then we put adverb. Ya, the dog ran quickly. Anjing itu berlari dengan cepat. Ya, the is article. Dog is a noun. Ran is a verb. And quickly is an adverb. If you remember, the function of adverb is to describe the verb. Ya, bagaimana anjing itu berlari? Anjing itu berlari dengan cepat. Oke. Terus kita kembangkan lagi. The dog ran quickly to the house. Ya, kita tambahkan preposition. Anjing itu berlari dengan cepat menuju ke rumah. Ya. Nah, ini kenapa saya ulang? Karena ini adalah the backbone, ya, tulang punggung dari pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Nah, sekarang saya akan ke bukunya sebentar. Oh, sorry. Salah. Okay, if you have your book, you can pay attention on the left, ya, the contents. Kalau ada bukunya bisa dilihat yang di sebelah kiri, ya. Jadi kita sudah bahas yang nomor 1, what's a grammar, yaitu yang tadi parts of speech. Dan kita juga sudah bahas capital letter, unit 2, and unit 3, noun, kata benda, unit 4, pronoun, unit 5, adjective, unit 6, determiners, atau sebagian disebut sebagai articles.
Maaf, Pak Hendra,
And
ditanya
then
halaman berapa ya, Pak?
hari ini kita akan lanjut yang unit 7. Next kita akan bahas unit 8. Unit 9 adverbs kita juga sudah bahas. Unit 10 preposition kita juga sudah bahas. Unit 11 conjunction juga. Unit 12, 13 dan 14 kita juga sudah bahas. Ya. Nah, maksudnya adalah by this time it is actually you are expected to be able to write a sentence. Ya. Maksudnya adalah pada saat ini kalian diharapkan sudah mampu membuat sebuah kalimat. Ya. Karena di dalam kalimat ada ini yang namanya parts of speech. Ini semua ada di dalam sebuah kalimat. Dan bagaimana membentuk kalimat juga sudah diajarkan. Ya, nanti materinya mungkin bisa dilihat-lihat lagi. Oke. Nah, sebelum lanjut ke sini, kita akan bahas materinya dulu ya. Kita akan lanjut. Benar nggak kita kemarin sampai di sini ya? M is R. Yes, okay, thank you. Nah, kita akan lanjut ya. M is R. M is R. Ini adalah kata kerja. They are verb. but they are not action verb. Ya, they are not action words. Kata kerja tapi bukan action words, ya. Tapi mereka disebut sebagai to be or verb to be or verb be. Ya, jadi am is are ini disebut sebagai to be atau disebut juga sebagai verb to be atau bisa juga disebut sebagai verb be, ya. Nah, kita akan bahas the usage, penggunaannya, and the sentence examples. Contoh-contoh kalimatnya. The usage, ya. I am, he, she, it, is, you, we, they, are. Ya. And then I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, followed with singular verb, ya, or singular noun, ya. And then you are, we are, they are, with the plural one. Yeah, if you remember, you can be singular, can be plural. But for the verb to be, still either singular or plural, you use are. Ya, untuk you ada singular, ada plural, tapi dua-duanya menggunakan are. Ya. Nah, sentence example. I am can be contracted. Ya, contracted bisa digabung menjadi I'm. Ya, I am, I'm a principal. He is, he's a manager. She is, she's a housewife. Ya. Nah, principal di sini artinya kepala sekolah. Manager itu mungkin kepala kantor, ya. Housewife, ibu rumah tangga. It is, it's an insect. Insect itu serangga, ya. You are, ya. You're a soldier. Kamu adalah seorang tentara. You are, yang tadi adalah singular, yang ini plural. Your soldiers, ya, tentaranya plural, ya. Ini berarti bicara kepada banyak tentara. We are soldiers. Kami adalah tentara-tentara. They are employees. Mereka adalah karyawan. Ya, nah ini cara kontrak, ya, digabung. Nah, kita juga akan bahas there plus is or are, ya. There plus is or are, the function is to say what you can see or hear. Ya, ketika kita mau mengatakan sesuatu yang bisa kita katakan, kita lihat dan kita dengar, kita menggunakan there. There is or there's. Contraction-nya itu singular. Example, contoh, there is a book on the table, or there's a book on the table. Ya. There are, there, itu plural. Example, there are books on the table. There are books on the table. Ya. Oke. Sebelum kita lanjut, kita ke exercise dulu. Oke, yang punya buku boleh dibuka. Atau online e-booknya bisa juga dibuka, ya. Okay, here. Am, is, and are. The words am, is, are also verbs, but they are not action words. Ya, seperti yang sudah saya jelaskan tadi, they are the simple present tense of the verb be. Mereka bagian dari verb one. Ya, ini halaman 83. Ya, halaman 83. Use am with the pronoun I, is with the pronouns he, she, and it. Use are with the pronouns you, we, and they. Ya, tadi sudah dijelaskan juga ya. For example, it is a donkey. It is not a horse. Negatif ya. It is very hot today. It is not very comfortable. Hari ini sangat panas. Tidak merasa nyaman. Another example, I am Peter. I am not Paul. She is Miss Lee. She is a teacher. He is my father. He is a doctor. He is not a lawyer. You are a stranger. You are not my friend. We are in the same class, but we are not on the same team. They are good friends. They are not enemies. Ya, itu contoh-contoh penggunaan is, am, are. Now here you can see from the table how to use am, is, and are. Ya, tadi sudah saya jelaskan juga pasangan-pasangannya. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Okay. And then this is the contraction. I am, I'm, you are, your, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, its, am not, become aren't, only in questions, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, they are, they, we are, we. Okay, this part we are not going to discuss. This is another topic. Use the verb is with singular nouns and are with plural nouns. For example, the camel is a desert enemy. Ya, is dipakai untuk singular, are dipakai untuk plural. Oke, ada yang nanya gimana dengan kata ain't? Ya, ain't adalah itu ya slang. Ya, slang itu bahasa gaul. Ya, kayak contoh di bahasa Indonesia itu gua, elu. Nah, itu bahasa gaul, ya. In itu artinya tidak. Okay, continue. Lambs are baby sheep. And then Kenneth is a lawyer. Rex is a clever dog. A duck is a kind of bird. The playground is full of people today. My house is near the school. These questions are too difficult. The balloons are very colorful. Those people are very busy. Dad and mom are in the kitchen. And then we use is and are with the word there to say what you can see and hear. Ya. Misalnya, there is a castle on the hill. Ya, bisa dilihat. Ya, you can see or hear. Di situ ada sebuah benteng. There is a castle on the hill. Ada sebuah benteng di atas bukit. Ya. Kalau American sebutnya castle. Ya. Because the castle is only one, then you say is. Ya. There are some clouds in the sky. Ada awan di atas langit. Ya. Kenapa there are? Karena clouds. Clouds-nya banyak. Ya. Clouds bisa dihitung ya? Ya, bisa dihitung. Walaupun susah ya hitungnya. Nah, there is a wasp nest in the tree. Ya, ada sarang semacam lebah di pohon. And then another example, there is a fence around the school. There are a lot of books in the library. There are 2 guards at the gate. Is there any food in the fridge? Fridge ini kulkas ya. Are there any apples left on the tree? Apakah ada apel tersisa ya? Left. Ada sisa nggak di pohon? Ada apel yang tersisa nggak di pohon? How much rice is there? Ada berapa banyak nasi itu? There are a few sharks in the bay. Ada beberapa ikan shark, ikan paus atau ikan hiu ya. Nah, itulah. There are enough candies for everyone, aren't there? There are 2 pigeons on the roof. Nah, ini aren't ini satu topik tersendiri ya. Ini namanya question tag. Ya. Nah, kita belum bahas dulu ini. Oke, exercise. Nah, yang mau participate. Those who want to participate, please. Yang mau nanya boleh sekalian juga. Yang belum pernah participate, dipersilahkan ya. Okay, exercise 1, fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. Ya. Okay, hello, good evening, Veronica.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm great, sir.
Great,
Nice to meet
okay.
you again, sir.
All right, what about number 1?
They are my good friends.
Okay, they are my good friends. Okay, thank you, Veronica.
My pleasure, sir.
Hello, Friska.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening, Friska. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Mr. Hendra. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, number 2.
Mr. Hendra, before
Yes.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Simple present tense ada dibilang customary action itu apa ya, Mr.?
Oh, I have to look later. Ya, customary action. Memang ada tulisannya seperti itu.
Maksudnya apa tuh?
Coba let me see.
Halaman 80, Mr.
80 ya.
Ya.
Oh, ini tergantung konteks atau situation. General truth kan udah pasti. For example, the sun rises in the east. Itu general fact, sesuatu yang udah pasti. Nah, Uncle Joe wears glasses. Ini kan this is the situation. Ya, according to the situation.
Oh, oke.
Ya, memang ini customary action ini sedikit membingungkan sebetulnya. Makanya saya tidak pakai. Ya. Yang saya pakai adalah simple present tense itu dipakai buat habit ya. Kebiasaan sehari-hari. For example, I wake up at 6 every morning, ya kan, itu habit. And then general fact, ya, saya nggak pakai customary action. Okay, is it answering your question, Friska?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Oke. Ini kembali ke halaman
87.
Oke, number 2.
He is a soldier.
Soldier.
Oh, okay. Soldier.
Say. Yes. Anyway, Friska, again I say untuk teman-teman yang lain juga ya. Itu apa istilah-istilah gitu tidak terlalu penting. Ya, teori-teori gitu nggak terlalu penting. Yang penting kita tahu kapan kita menggunakannya dan bagaimana menggunakannya. Oke, thank you Friska.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Saya belum mute deh, Friska. Could you please mute yourself? Thank you. Desmi, hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra. How are you today?
I'm fine. I believe that you are good too.
Yes, thank you.
I can hear from your voice.
Thank you.
Very excited. Okay, Desmi, number 3.
Number 3, okay. You are taller than Charlie.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Titik.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Good evening, Titik. How are you today?
I'm pretty good, sir.
You are pretty good, I believe.
Okay.
Okay, number 4, please.
For number 4, she is ill.
Yes. What is the meaning in Indonesian?
Dia sakit.
Okay, thank you, Titik.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
All
How about you,
right.
sir?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Okay, number 5, please.
Number 5, we are very hungry.
Okay, have you had your dinner?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Wiriani.
Hello, sir.
How are you today?
Fine. And you, sir?
Fine. Okay. I'm good too. Thank you.
What number, sir?
Okay. Number 6, please.
It is a sunny day.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Ricky.
Hello, sir.
How are you today?
Very good, sir.
Very good. Okay, as always.
Yeah.
Okay, number 7, please.
I am angry with Joe.
Why? Why are you angry with Joe?
I don't know, sir. Because
No
the
reason.
sentence is I am angry with Joe. So I just say it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Al-Kori. Hello. Al-Kori. Al-Kori, hello.
Sir. Hello,
Hello, good evening.
evening, sir.
How are you today?
I'm pretty well, actually. How about you, sir?
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you.
What
Okay,
number,
number
sir?
8, please. Number 8.
You are all welcome to my house.
Okay, where is your house, by the way?
My house is South Jakarta.
South Jakarta. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, for exercise 2, you have to fill in with is or are. Okay. Next, Brandon.
Good evening, Mister.
Hello, good evening. How are you today, Brandon?
I'm fine, mister. How about
Alright.
you?
I'm fine
Trial
too.
version.
Thank you.
Okay, now
Okay.
I read number
Number one.
one. John's dog,
Trial version.
wait, is very friendly.
Okay,
John's dog
John's.
is very friendly.
Okay, John's dog is very friendly. Thank
Trial
you,
version.
Brandon.
Thank you, mister.
Hello, Lily.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening, Lily. How are you today?
So far, so good. How about
So far, so good. Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, number
Robert?
two, please.
Robert is 10 years old.
Yep, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Alice.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you
Good.
today?
Very fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, number three, please.
There is flower are very pretty.
Okay, one more time, please.
There is flowers are very pretty.
Okay, please repeat after me. These flowers.
These flowers are very
Ah,
pretty.
yes. Thank you, Alice.
You're welcome.
Okay, hello, Rosa.
Halo, Mr. Hendra.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you need to think for a while before you answer. Okay, no problem. Number four, please.
Okay. The two schools are close to each other.
Okay, what does it mean in Indonesian?
Dua sekolah itu tutup to each other. Satu dengan yang lain. I don't know.
Oke, dua sekolah itu berdekatan satu dengan yang lain.
Berketemu. Oke. Thank you, Mr.
Close.
Hendra.
Welcome. Oke, close di sini bukan tutup ya,
Oh,
tapi
oke.
berdekatan. Oke, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Ya. Hello, Yong.
Yes.
Hello, good evening, Yong.
Good evening, sir.
How are you today?
Fine, thanks.
Okay.
And number five.
Number five, yes.
Maths is not very difficult subject.
Okay. And the meaning is?
Matematika tidak terlalu sulit.
Bukan pelajaran yang sulit.
Bukan pelajaran yang sulit. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yong.
Thank you.
Hey, Yong.
Hi, Mariana.
Hi, good evening, Mister.
Good evening, Mariana. I think it's been a while you did not participate. Am I right?
This is
Okay.
first participant. Yes.
Oh, this is your first time.
For participant, yeah.
Oh, first to participate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, welcome you then.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, number 6, please.
Yeah. Is dinner ready?
Okay, and the meaning is?
Makan malam sudah siap?
Sudah siap mau makan?
Oh, sudah siap mau makan. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Linda.
Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
Number 7.
Number
I'm fine.
7. Okay.
This computer is very easy to use.
Okay. The meaning is?
Komputer ini mudah untuk digunakan.
Right. Thank you,
Thank
Linda.
you.
Hello, Steffi.
Hello, sir.
How are you today?
I'm feel good.
Okay. I feel good.
I feel good.
Yes. You don't say I am feel good. Okay.
Oh, I feel good. Okay.
Yes. Like the song. You know the song? I feel good. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Okay. Number 8, please.
8. All the windows. Pilihannya apa, sir?
Is or are.
Oh, all the windows are open.
Okay. Say one more time. All the windows
All the windows
are open.
are open.
Yes. What does it mean?
Semua jendela itu terbuka.
Yep, correct. Thank you, Steffi.
Thank you.
Hello, Efina.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Efina. Is it your first time to participate?
No.
No, okay. So it means you have been a while then. Okay. How are you today, Efina?
I feel good, sir. How about you?
Feel good. I feel good too. Thank you. Number 9, please.
9. Sue and Jen are neighbors.
Okay. What does it mean?
Sue dan Jen bertetangga.
Bertetangga. Yes, very good. Thank you.
My pleasure, sir.
Hello, Mega.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you today, Mega?
I'm pretty good. Thank you, sir. How?
Pretty good. Okay, I'm pretty good too. Thank you for asking.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
number 10.
Yes, his hair is curly.
Okay, what does it mean?
Rambutnya keriting.
Okay, what about your hair? Is your hair also curly?
Wave gelombang, sir.
Oh, so you say wavy. It's wavy.
Oh yeah, wavy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Berombak.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kalau rambut keriting curly, kalau berombak wavy, kalau lurus straight. Ya. Okay, now exercise 3. Exercise 3, fill in the blanks with there is or there are. Hello, Rodi.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening, Rodi. How are you today?
Good evening, Mr. Hendra. I'm all right. Thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm also all right. Is it your first time, Rodi?
No, third
time.
Yes.
Okay. Happy to join this English class.
Yes, I watch it and YouTube too.
Oh, okay. You watch us from the YouTube.
From the YouTube teacher.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, ready. All right. Number 1 then.
There is a fence around the barn.
Okay, say there's
There's
a
a
fence
fence, a
fence
fence, a fence
around
around
the
around
barn.
the barn.
Yes, one more time.
There is a fence around the barn.
Okay, what is the
Thank you.
meaning?
Ada sebuah fence. I don't mean the mean.
You don't know the meaning?
A fence.
Fence
Oh,
is
pagar.
pagar.
Ada sebuah pagar di sekeliling barn.
Lumbung.
Lumbung.
Ya, bisa
I'm
lumbung
little
padi.
vocabulary, Mr.
It's
Hendra.
okay. It's okay. That's why we learn, right?
Yes, thank you, teacher. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Hendra.
Thank you, Rodi. Okay, next, Desi. Hello,
sir.
Desi.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you today?
Feel very good.
Very good. Okay. You must be ready to answer questions number 2 then.
Yes.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2. There are trees along the road.
Okay, and the meaning?
Di sana ada pohon tinggi di sekitar jalan.
Ya, sepanjang jalan banyak pohon. Ya, along the road,
Okay,
sepanjang jalan. Thank you, Desi. Okay, next, Susan. Hello, Susan. Susan.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you, Susan? Hello, Susan.
Hello. Hello.
Hey. Can you
Good
hear
evening,
me?
sir. Yes,
Good
yes, sir.
evening. Okay, number 3, please.
Number 3, there is a rainbow in the sky.
Okay. Thank you, Susan.
Thanks, sir.
Hello, Johnny.
Hello, sir.
Okay, how are you today?
I am fine. And you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you. Number 4, please.
Number 4. There are lots of parks in our town.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Johnny.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Helen.
Hello, Mister. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, number 5, please.
There is nothing in the cupboard.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mariatu.
Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
All right, please answer questions number 6.
Number 6. There are not many bedrooms in the new house.
Okay, and the meaning is?
Dia memiliki beberapa tempat tidur di rumah barunya.
Okay, this is negative, right? Not.
Oh iya, tidak memiliki.
Yeah, there are not many bedrooms. Tidak banyak kamar tidur di rumah baru tersebut. Okay,
Yes.
Mariatu, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Denisa. Hello,
Hello,
Denisa.
sir. Hello,
Good
sir.
evening,
Good evening.
Denisa.
Good evening,
Okay.
sir.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. Okay, number 7, please.
Number 7 is there are lots of mistakes on your test paper.
Okay, and the meaning is?
Ada banyak kesalahan di makalah kamu atau di penulisan.
Oh, have you checked my test paper, by the way?
Sorry, sir.
No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, thank you, Denisa.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, Oni.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you, Oni?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, number 8, please.
Number 8. There are was yes in the tree.
Okay, there is or there are?
There is.
There is. Okay. Thank you, Oni.
You're welcome.
Hello, Amin.
Hello, I'm fine.
Good evening.
Yo.
Okay, number 9, please.
There are ants in the cookie.
Yes. Thank you, Oni. Amin, sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Reynolds. Hello, Reynolds.
Hello.
Hello, Reynolds.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Good
good
evening,
evening.
Mr. Hendra. Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Yeah, good evening. Is it your first time, Reynolds?
No, second time, Mr.
Second time, okay. Nice to meet you, Reynolds.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, number 10, please.
There are many different kinds of animals in the zoo.
In the zoo.
In the zoo.
Yes. What is the meaning?
Ada banyak jenis binatang di kebun binatang.
Okay. Thank you, Reynolds.
You're welcome, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, Titik. Hello, Titik.
Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Hello. Number 11, please.
Number 11. There are plenty of food on the table.
Okay. Thank you, Titik.
Okay, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, Lisa.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, number 12, please.
Number 12. There is a church on the hilltop.
Okay, and the meaning is?
Di puncak bukit terdapat sebuah gereja.
Okay. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Herlin.
Mister, hello. Good
Hello,
evening.
good evening. Okay, number 13, please.
Number 13, titik-titik, no more water in the pool.
Yes.
There are no more water in the pool.
Okay, what is the meaning?
Tidak ada air di dalam kolam. Dalam kolam.
Okay. Can you count the water?
Water tidak bisa dihitung, kan?
Tidak bisa. So there is no more water in the pool.
There is, ya.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Mister.
Say it one time.
There is no more water in the pool.
Okay. Thank you, Herlin.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, Ricky. Hello, Ricky.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Number 14, please.
There are too many people on the beach.
Okay. Thank you, Ricky.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Wiriani.
Hello, sir. Meet
Okay,
again, sir.
yeah, meet again. Number 15, please.
There are only a few customers in the shop.
Yes. And the meaning is?
Ada sedikit pelanggan di toko itu.
Okay. Thank you, Wiriani.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, now we continue with the lesson. Present progressive tense. Okay, now we have come to the subtopic 4. It's called present progressive tense. Okay, present progressive or present continuous tense. Ya. Nah, present progressive ini more to American, ya. If British usually say present continuous tense. Okay. And then the function. The first one is to talk about ongoing actions or action happening now. Ya, sebuah aksi yang sedang berlangsung, ya, atau sebuah peristiwa yang sedang berlangsung. And then second function is to talk about future plan. Ya, rencana di masa yang akan datang. Ya. If you remember last time, we used simple present tense to talk about fixed plan. And this time, present progressive tense for talking about future plan. Ya, rencana yang akan datang. Okay. If you ask, for example, future plan and fixed plan, apa bedanya? Future plan, kalau fixed plan itu 100%. Tidak berubah. Ya, for example, schedule, ya, schedule, jadwal. Nah, itu biasanya fix, jadwal pesawat, ya. But future plan, rencana yang akan datang, bisa berubah, bisa juga tidak. Tapi biasanya around 90% it's already planned. Ya, 90% biasanya jadi. Sentence examples. I am studying English now. Sekarang saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris. Ya. Is the actions going on now? Apakah masih berlangsung? Yes. Makanya menggunakan present progressive tense. Now, the second function, future plan, example, I am meeting my colleague this afternoon. Sore ini saya akan ketemu dengan teman kerja saya. Ya. Nah, if you pay attention here, this afternoon, sore ini berarti akan datang. Ya. It's a future plan. So the formula is subject plus to be plus verb ing. Okay. Nah, the most important in the tenses is about time. Yeah. How do we know that this is present progressive tense? That is the time. Yeah. Instead of using now, we also can use at the moment or at the present time. All of them means sekarang. Ya, semua artinya sekarang. I am studying English now. He is washing the car at the moment. They are having lunch at the present time. Semua ini artinya sekarang, ya. Nah, this is the formula. I am studying English now. He is washing the car at the moment. They are having lunch at the present time. So I, he, they are subject. Am is are, they are to be, yeah, or verb to be. And then studying, it's a verb ing or present participle. Yeah. Okay, another exercise. Okay, present progressive tense. Ini tadi sudah dibahas ya, to talk about action in the present or things that are still going on or happening now. Ya, example, I am writing a letter, mom is knitting a sweater for Sally, the phone is ringing, ya. Nah, ini nanti baca aja sendiri lah ya. Supaya kita bisa selesaikan exercise. Nah, the form ya, formulanya to be plus present participle or verb ing ya. Show plus ing, showing. Come plus ing, coming. Okay. And then some verb you have to add another T. Yeah, for example, get, getting, not, nodding. Yeah. Add another consonants. Jog, jogging. Rob, robbing. Stop, stopping. Swim, swimming. Yeah. Now, if the verb ends in E, chase, so you eliminate the E. Yeah, eliminate, dihilangkan. Chase, chasing. Cycle, cycling. Drive, driving. Smile, smiling. Yeah. Nah, is MR also called helping verbs or auxiliary verbs? Yeah. When are you taking me to the zoo? We are having a barbecue later this evening. Nah, ini dibaca aja ya, supaya kita bisa selesaikan ini exercise. Oke. Mr. Tony, izin tambah 10 menit ya.
Oke, siap.
Oke. Okay, let's continue this exercise. Hello, Wiriani.
Hello, sir.
Okay, this time the exercise 1, you have to change the verb 1 or present to become verb ing or present participle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 1. Okay, 2 numbers at the time. Come.
Come, coming. Run,
Run.
running.
Good. Thank you, Wiriani.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, next, read 1. Hello, read 1. Hello, read 1. I can't hear you. Read 1. Okay, maybe you may rejoin, yeah. Hello, Rosa.
Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, number 3 and number 4, please.
Sleep, sleeping, fall, falling.
Okay, thank you, Rosa.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, Priscilla. Hello, Priscilla. Hello, Priscilla.
Hello, hello, sir.
Okay. Hello, Priscilla. Is it your first time? Hello, I can't hear you.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Number 5 and number 6, please.
Hi. Jump, jumping, climb, climbing,
Climbing. The B is silent. Climbing. Say.
climbing.
Yes. Thank you, Priscilla.
Thank you, welcome.
Okay. Remember, the B is silent. Yeah, climbing. Okay, next. Grace. Hello, Grace.
Hello, sir. Good evening,
Okay.
Hendra.
Good evening, Grace. Number 7 and 8, please.
Okay. Go, going, ask, asking.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, Brandon. Hello.
Hello, mister.
Okay, number 9 and 10, please.
Okay. Number 9. Catch, catching. Write, writing.
Okay, could you please spell for writing?
WRITTIG.
Okay, it's not double T, only one T. Okay, thank you, Brandon.
Okay, thank you, mister.
Hello, Linda.
Hello, Mister.
Okay, number 11 and 12.
11, drop, dropping, bring, bringing.
Okay, could you please spell for drop, dropping?
DROPPENG.
Double P-I-N-G. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, exercise 2, fill in the blanks with the present progressive tense of the verbs in parentheses. Yeah, present progressive tense or present continuous tense. Okay, next, Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 1, please.
They enjoying the roller coaster ride. They are
One more
enjoying.
time.
They are
Okay.
enjoying.
Okay, read it one more time.
They are enjoying the roller coaster ride.
Okay, thank you, Ricky.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Alcori.
Hello, sir.
Okay, number 2, please.
Jill. Wait. Jill is washing her hand.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Alcori.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 3, please.
Number 3, it is getting dark.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello, Friska.
Yes, Mr. Hendra.
All right, number 4, please.
The dentist is examining Shu's teeth.
Okay, say examining. Examining.
Examining.
Yes. Read the sentence again. The dentist.
The dentist is examining Shu's teeth.
Examining.
Examining.
Yes. The dentist is examining Sue's teeth.
The dentist is examining Shu's teeth.
Okay, thank you, Friska.
Thank you, Mr.
Hello, Johnny.
Hello, sir.
Okay, number 5, please.
The train is passing through the tunnel.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Johnny.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mega.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 6, please.
Yeah. The man is working very hard in the sun.
All right, the man. How many men?
Only one, sir.
Okay,
Oh,
this one is
this one
is
on
plural.
plural, yes, sir. Yeah. It means that,
Yes.
oh, yeah.
Okay,
You
so
and yeah, so are working.
okay, read it one more time.
Yeah.
The man.
Are working very hard in the sun.
Okay, thank you, Mega.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, hello, Rodi.
Hello, teacher. Hello, Mr. Hendra.
Hello. Number 7, please.
Number 7. What is the teacher showing today?
Okay, say showing.
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 Show.
Showing.
Showing. Okay. Thank you, Rodi.
Thank you, teacher. Very difficult for me.
Very difficult. No difficult if you practice.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello, Steffi.
Kenapa soalnya yang susah? Hello, sir.
Okay, number 8.
We making a snowman. We making a snowman.
Remember the formula? Subject plus is or am or are.
Oh, okay. We
is or we are or we am.
We are making a snowman.
Yes, correct. One more time. We
are making a snowman.
All right, very good. It's not difficult, right?
Right.
Right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Yong.
Yes, sir. Good
Okay,
evening, everybody.
Good evening. Number 9, please.
Number 9. The plane is flying above the clouds.
Okay, repeat after me. The plane
is flying
above
the clouds.
Above
the clouds.
With
above.
There is a sound above. Say
above.
Okay, maybe you can try later. Yeah. Thank you, Yong.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, last one, Helen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 10.
The teachers are having a meeting.
Okay, thank you very much, Helen.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, I think we will stop here and we will continue the next lesson next week. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Ya, sahabat kelas, untuk kelas malam hari ini kita akhiri di sini. Kita ketemu lagi di pertemuan berikutnya. Untuk yang mau ngulang bisa nonton ulang ya di rekaman YouTube kita ya. Oke, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night, everybody. Good night.
Bye.